Okay, so we're back for part 2 of Test Route 1 from the Test Route app. So, actually needs ready to move off. No need for a signal there, there's no one around who'd benefit from it. Notice that just as the van starts to approach, just kind of try and move over a little bit if we can, help them come through that bit. So as we're coming through, we've got the obstacle on our left hand side, the parked car. Again, mirror check, ease off the gas. Allow yourself just to slow down just before you come round, looking for anything coming out of, you know, the reflections of the parked cars. I'm 20 miles an hour, so no real big thing. Maybe check just before I go back in. And shortly we're going to turn in right, end of the road. End of the road, turn right onto Salthouse Road again. Now down here, just before the bus stop, is a really good place to pull you over, do a hill start. It's not too busy, not too many parked cars. Mirrors. Again, next to the white line in the middle of the road, nice and slow as we're approaching this one. We really cannot see all the way down the road until we get up to the end. Again, handbrake on here from my own personal use or personal viewpoint. I always like to think something like this is quite busy, there's a lot going on. I always try and think of, like, you know, when can I go? Alright, if you could walk across, you could drive across. Alright, is one way of thinking about it. And what I do like to do is, especially here, keep looking from both sides. Have in mind that kind of like what I'd say is sniper mentality. Look for the gap to be appearing in front of you. Don't wait for it to appear in front of you. Go for the gap. So we've got a white car coming up. Everything's coming from that side. So like there, if that was clear on that side, you could have gone at that point. There's nothing after it. I know they're all turning, but there's one coming from the left hand side of me. And this, you know, a lot of people will kind of start getting worried here, thinking, oh, is this hesitation? No, it's not. I can't go. Simple as. You know, it might be busy from one side and then clear on the other. So like the white car's there, okay, the black van there, we've got something coming up on here. Don't rush yourself going out. You don't want us to have to stall it as well. So you've got the red car, and then it's after that, okay, so there, putting my foot down, getting gone. Go for the gap, wait for it to become in front of you. Watch how that vehicle starts coming from one side. As it starts to go towards in front of you, that's your point. As long as you don't make that other vehicle slow down, you'll be fine. But at some points you really need to just kind of get that gas going and get going. So we've got the bus coming from the right hand side. Where's that white car going? Perfect opportunity is that white car's blocking it off. Don't wait for the white car to get in front of the bus. Go as it's before it. So we're going to be going straight on, second exit. Nice and easy as I'm approaching, looking. Red van's turning. Okay, I'm going. Mirror signal there. Getting 24 miles, 25 miles an hour here. Don't have to speed up all the way up to 30, okay? I'm still making a bit of progress. I see there's a vehicle in front of me that's slowing down or going slower. Again, car from the right hand side. Were they looking at all? Give way to vehicles on your right. Are those ones that are still to your right hand side? The silver car in front went as that vehicle was still in front of it, not giving way to the vehicle approaching from the right hand side whatsoever. Green lights, mirrors, keep aware of your surroundings. Off the gas a second, cover the brake, can I go? Yes. Pothole. So many potholes around here at the moment. So we're going to be going straight on towards Stone Ferry. Mirrors coming in, be prepared. Green's been on for quite some time. Mirror check, off my gas, cover my brake, and there, look, nice and easy. If you notice that when I check my mirrors and you know, there's this big thing, especially on a lot of stuff that I've seen on YouTube and TikTok, is, you know, these people going on about like, oh, you don't need to be going like this, going like that to check your mirrors. Okay, and that's true. The, you know, examiners are going to be looking for, you know, slight eye movements. Now, for the main one and the right hand side one, yeah, you'll get away with an eye movement. But the left hand side one, you have to look at that one. Turn your head to look at it, because I know, from my own personal experience, I cannot just use my eyes to see in that mirror. I'm doing it there, I cannot actually see the mirror. I have to quick look over. And that's why I always point out, especially when you were doing a left turn, it doesn't have to be mirror, mirror, okay? It can just be mirror, see what's going on behind you. Again, cover my brake and clutch here at that point, and then get going again. The lights aren't changed, but it can be mirror, then mirror. So you got mirror, look forward, look at all the dangers in front, then mirror to make sure that you see what's going on. So you just do it in a nice, controlled, well-timed manner, such like coming up to this roundabout. Now, I know that I'm going to be going left and then right, so I could use the right hand side lane on approach here, because you can use both lanes to go left. but I'm still going to be going left just to show you. And it's easy because you're a bit further away from the vehicles coming from the right hand side here. Keep an eye out for obviously the vehicle on the left hand side. Anyone crossing looking like they're going to cross. Mirrors. Signal here. Now I'm going to be turning right and then going to be going straight on at the next roundabout. You can use this this middle lane. Well, left lane that comes into a middle lane. You can use both this lane I'm in now and that middle one to go right. Obviously this one you go right and into the right hand side lane. The middle one you'd come off in the left hand side, nearest to Burger King. First gear just crawling along, ambling along. Red van, blocking everything off. There we go. Keeping that signal on if it goes off. Mirror signal coming off next to the island on the right hand side here. Again, signal off if needed, if it hasn't already come off. Again, straight on here. Mirror check, someone coming over. Can't see you at that point until I get past the bridge. Red van was in the right hand side lane, but it was going straight on, no signal. And even if it was coming round here, it's far enough away from me for me to get going. Nice and slow as I'm approaching here. Can't really do anything. Getting my wing mirror in line with the white line in the middle of the road. And bear in mind, I've got some people there crossing. I know this guy's letting me go, but I've got to give way to them as well. If you can, just because somebody lets you go like that there, if there's somebody crossing, obviously you've got to give them priority, and if that other person who's letting you go decides to then go again, fine, so be it. Okay, so that is the end of the first test route. I hope all the bits and pieces that I've put together have helped you. I hope it's a bit better than the last ones where I've just got a camera just mounted to the headrest. If you wouldn't mind please leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment, questions, anything you want, okay? I will try and address anything anything you'd like in the comments. Okay, have a great day, drive safe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.